Fish, fish, fish.
Oh yeah.
Got a musky, got a musky. I got 50. I got 50. Oh, that'd been cool. I can't believe this, dude. This is some beginner's horseshoe. But dude, I mean, every cast is equal opportunity for everyone. Oh yeah, keep pulling.
Yeah, that guy's cool.
Ethan, save that. I got a fish.
Yeah, get the double.
Oh my god. He just drove hard. Oh.
Yeah, that's fine.
No. That don't mean, dude, keep going. Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Oh my god. I got a pike. Eat the pike. Eat the pike.
Hey. No way.
Dude, if you hand that pike.
Dude, I bet.
Eagles don't get that close that often.
No, they don't get that.
Wow.
I think I need the pliers. That thing is a machine.
All right, I'm gonna throw mine back, Ethan. Let's go.
That was a sick shot. I'm glad that you got that.
Got one. Oh, pulling good, dude. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Why is he upside down?
Maybe he's dumb.
Excuse me, sir.
Look at him, he's not even biting.
Let's go, Mike.
Finally.
Yeah, Mike. Yeah, Mike. Go, Mike. Yeah, Mike. Get you some, kid.
Ethan needs to get him some.
Now I need to get one.
Ethan, get casting there. You're not gonna not catch one today
dude.
if you cast enough right here.
Man, that guy got hooked. Maybe that's why he was upside down.
He's like, oh god. I'm flying through the air.
Right here, dude.
Someone get the picture. My hands are all northern done.
Yes, sir. That's Pike. That's Pike. That's on the board right there.
Baby guys out
Let's
here.
go.
On the
Baby
board,
hands.
dude.
Good hands.
Yeah.
You got him right good. He crossed his eye and got him.
Oh, dude. He hooked all the way almost up to the eye.
Let's go. Finally on the board after 100,000 casts today and
There you go, kid.
about 20 hits.
Yeah.
Oh, does it feel good to catch a pike?
Need you.
Oh, first pike of the year.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, this is, what is it, June? This is the most species I've ever caught by June in my life. Like, not new species, but like different.
We fished a decent amount this year.
Dude.
With hot girl in Wisconsin.
Yeah. I'm putting the work. And we found the good weeds.
Yeah, this is definitely.
This is so much better than the other spot.
100%.
Got one. Yep.
Yeah?
Yep. Get the net.
Net.
Oh, he's aggressive.
Back here.
Ooh.
There you go, Mike. Yeah,
Mike.
Mike. Hell yeah.
Playing with him, man. A decent one again.
That is a decent one.
Dude.
I mean, decent for the,
Dude, for just slamming these,
right?
like literally slamming.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah, he's got some beef.
Yeah. But Justin, get a picture.
Oh, girls.
I got a picture.
I hear him. I don't see him though.
You got that?
Put that on your YouTube channel. Oh, Austin's got one too.
Doubles. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
All right, Justin.
No!
Ah, dude, that's
So
like
mad.
the fifth. Oh, you lost a lure too?
He bit it.
Oh, damn.
All right, ready?
How close was it?
That's a decent one.
Yeah, that's a good size.
Yeah. A little longer. Number 6.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Dude, do they just go head first and swim right away?
Yeah.
Like, what was that?
Let's go.
What was that all
I am
about?
covered in slime.
He's still. His dad had a framed Ray Rice jersey in the basement, like autographed and everything. And goes up and goes, "Wow, did your dad play for Brother Rice?"
Got one.
No way.
Give me a net up here. Get it up back there. Ethan? Mega net?
Oh yeah, I'm getting a video. Nice. Mega net.
You're good.
That little baby.
Yeah. Let's go. Almost just doubled up. No.
Turns out we're live and you're.
Come on, squirm.
Get the picture from Mike.
I'm good, dude.
Oh hell yeah.
Little fingerling. I almost just fell in the water though. I'm gonna mute most of that. it's just silence. It's just Northwood silence. Yeah. You don't hear anything but leaves and birds, and then occasionally a boat. Oh, what a bad time for. Oh, let's go. I need him not.
Oh, nice.
Oh, he's digging down. I'm gonna let him fight a second. This is fun.
Nice. That's a good one.
That's a decent one. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh God, you can't
You
do
want a
that.
picture?
Oh, Mike. Oh, yeah.
Nice little guy.
Mike.
There you go.
Nice.
Pretty. So pretty. Thank you, friend. Thank you for another amazing time. Goodbye. That's 5, baby. I took the lead. It's all because I had a good title and description. Got one.
I got it.
Oh, I got a nice one.
I got it.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little bigger.
Oh yeah, that's a decent guy. Nice.
Not really.
Mike, nice. Well, nicer than the other one.
Yeah.
Let's go, Mike.
Oh, that's actually nicer.
That's not bad. Dude, that's a good one.
Perfect little northern silhouette.
Nice.
Goodbye, buddy.
Best one from the spot.
Smoked it.
I'm sure.
I love that. I think I got something.
Oh, Ethan.
Yeah, finally.
Get a net. Get the net. Mega net time.
Let's go, Ethan.
Mega net.
Mega net.
Yeah.
Finally, yes. Oh my God. Oh my
Let's go, buddy. Mega net.
I haven't caught Jack in years. Good job. All right, how do I do this?
Don't put your finger in his mouth.
Oh, yeah. Why?
Because it's really sharp teeth.
All right. I think he's pooping on me.
It happens.
All right, toss him back.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah,
dude. First
Yes,
pike.
first
Pike
pike.
ever.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Congrats.
We got that's 3 today.
No one gets skunked on
No
this
one
boat.
gets skunked on this boat. Just want to make sure it works. Oh, fish. Yep.
Where's it at? Austin, toss me that.
This is not big.
You just gonna flop them?
No. Yeah, you just. Hank. I'm gonna let it play a second. Look at him. If he gets off, he gets off.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop
Don't, it's not funny.
Dobby.
I'll go. Let's go. Chat sounds.
Do.
Another nice little beautiful guy. They're so pretty.
Yeah. Those are sweet.
That's a big. Oh my God.
Release.
Goodbye.
I can't believe I.
That lure yesterday, I was like, wow, I really like this lure. Throw it. Cool.
Dan, just watched him eat it.
Wow. I saw it at the last second too.
Ethan, don't throw it back.
You gotta
Oh,
get a
hell
doubles
yeah.
picture.
Doubles. Yeah, let's get a quick one.
Mike,
I gotta toss him. He's fine. He did it to himself. Hey, let go.
Ethan, he took my paddle. He won't let go. All right, all study photo.
I got you. Come over here.
Over there, get the
I got Jessica over here.
This is a skinny fish. This is not healthy. That is a skinny fish. Oh my goodness.
Dude, Mike, you good on this paddle.
That's crazy.
You get a couple, 2-3 more casts out of that. Land one more than
Ethan, we doubled up.
First double
of the day. Or
First
the trip.
2 more fish in the boat. We gotta. Everyone keep track of their numbers.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll get a couple out here. I have a fish. Oh my god. Net. Mega net. Oh, this is big. I'm not kidding. This is a musky. Dan.
Give me.
Like, you're recording?
Yeah. No, it's not. I foul hooked the pike. You have got to be kidding me. No, I don't want to dig it farther in.
I don't want to get the big guy on it. Give me the little net. I'll trade you, Josh.
Dude.
Dude, it's hard to tell on that pole, I feel, too.
It's foul hook, dude.
Hey,
We love foul hooking.
Mike. You might have the biggest pike.
No, it's not even. That's the sad part.
Oh, it looked like it.
That felt like such a pop. That's not bad fish.
No, it's not bad.
I'm actually shaking right now. I really thought that was gonna be a muskie.
Still. Keep going.
I know, but it felt huge.
Every time you get too far, fly over. Yeah. Mark it on your calendar just like you haven't done before.
Got one.
Really?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Got a muskie. Got a muskie.
Get the mic in there.
You recording?
Yeah.
Give me.
That's a little pike.
Oh.
Oh no.
Is the regular net in reach? Yeah, regular
Yeah.
net. No, we're good.
Nice pike.
Yeah, I'm happy with this. Man, was that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hitting that.
For a good sized meal.
Yeah, I thought that was it, man.
that's a nice.
I thought that was it.
I thought that was it. I'm not upset.
No, still fun.
Beautiful fish, dude.
Yeah, real good.
God, did my heart drop. Yep.
Got one. I'm going over your head here. It feels small. You think you could?
It's safe.
Yeah. No. Little guy, he might be able to just boat for me.
Another one, non-stop. Look at him. Twist and shout.
The other one? Yeah, Mike?
Yeah.
No, it's good.
Not mine.
Give me my paddle. Another beautiful fish.
Oh yeah.
Look how meaty he looks.
Oh, Romano, is that you? Shit, you got a picture?
No, you want to do it?
I don't have.
I'm good, dude. I don't care. I got enough.
Got 6 other pictures that they
Yep.
I don't know, or maybe in this white bag, I don't know. Really?
Got one. Yeah. Back-to-back cast.
Mike, I'm just gonna
No.
use this one that's already strung up. That's cool.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna keep going somewhere. That's a little baby.
It's a little baby, I know.
It's like a baby.
That's just a baby.
Come on, dude. You don't need to do this. This helps no one.
First time?
You got one too?
Oh, Austin doubles again.
Great job.
Little baby. There's a little baby. Austin baby squad.
Yeah, you.
Oh.
Ethan, I'm coming, brother.
I got a fish.
I got you. I'm not even coming up anyway. Here, I'm good.
Decent? Come on, be fun.
Yeah, dude. Good shit. Head shake.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is number 10, baby. Fun guy.
Yeah.
All right, let's get you in.
That's not bad.
No. Yeah.
Which bag is yours?
Hey, look. Fish.
That's a big one.
Is it?
What's it called?
Air.
No.
This is like going on that we're.
I don't know. We're just trying to get numbers, man.
Yeah. The fact that we have almost 25 fish between us two. We don't have the best luck on some of these fishing trips.
No, we don't.
Samuel?
I'm taking this so much.
Yep. I think he's real little.
Oh, look at that little baby.
God, this is just non-stop. Oh, right next to the eye.
Almost Ethan though.
Just let go.
Beautiful little guy.
12. Ethan, how many you at? Or 49 fish.
Oh my God.
49 fish, right? 39 plus
Who
10.
gets the 50th fish?
Who gets the
I'm working
50?
on it. I'm working on it.
Oh my God, we're about to hit 50. I told
You
you.
did tell me when you were trying to sell me on coming on this trip that we would catch 50 fish.
I said if we put the time in, I bet we. I got 50. I got 50.
No way. Get in the boat.
Come on. Come on.
Using that?
It's the smallest one.
Number 50.
50th. Yeah. That's only pike number 49 though.
Yeah, that's true.
Who's over there?
So who gets, now we need a 50th pike.
Who's over there right there?
I ain't never gonna tell no one about this place. And no one about what to use here. Unless you go with me or I know you. Because this is special. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God, boys. But pike are notorious for their slime. Oh my God.
Oh, nice. I did.
I know. I was waiting for you to realize.
I was like, why'd you put this? What's he say? Literally awesome. Right into
Give a.
There you go. Right there, buddy. You got it.
Oh,
man, dude.
Oh my
Oh, God. This thing's huge. This thing is huge, dude. Holy.
Yeah!
Oh, my God.
Let's get a length on this.
Oh, my God. Oh, my. You got the scale? And you got the scale?
No, do length. Weights don't matter.
Oh, my God. Holy.
That's right up there where we caught yesterday.
Oh, my God.
Dude. That is in cleaning up. Right up there where we caught yesterday.
Yeah,
There you go.
get a quick measure. I knew you could do it quick.
How do I measure?
Right here.
Yeah. Let's get,
Austin, block it so he doesn't
Dude,
slap
he is
up.
over. He's about 20 inches.
Oh, that might be more.
That's like 21.
I'd give that a full 22.
Yeah.
Okay. Round of applause for us for catching 50 pike.
Alright, now he's
It happened like I hoped. Thank God. Oh, dude, guys, we haven't just maybe seen a musky. Oh, he's got nailed. Oh, he's on. Came back.
find him out.
I am. Here's 51.
got the power of God and anime on my side.
I'm so sorry. Yeah. One. Two.
As long as there's something.
Yeah. I swear to God, it's the flap plus the orange. Because when me and my dad were here, he was using a different spinner than I was, and I was getting so much more action. He puts mine on, and it's the same amount of action. So much action. Oh, he's a little longer. Oh yeah.
Still relatively average.
This is 15. Oh no, it's super average.
Oh no, still fun, dude.
Oh my god.
Do something. Yeah.
Go on, buddy.
Doing flat.
That's called. Oh my god!
He did another jump.
Look at him spinning. He just went in the H. That was insane. I hope the GoPro got that.
So disoriented.
Yeah.
Disorientated.
Oh.